Are you tired of feeling stuck in your current job with no clear path for advancement? Do you want to make a change but feel like you don't have the time or money to invest in a traditional college degree? Well, in this video, I have some exciting news for you. Imagine in just 6 months from now, you could have in-demand skills that could have you job ready and earning a 6-figure salary without needing any previous experience or a degree. Yes, you have heard that right. A 6-figure salary with no degree required. So, what are these skills we are talking about here? Cybersecurity. That's right. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing industries, and with the rise of technology, it's becoming more and more crucial to protect our digital world. And I know that you might be thinking, but I don't have any experience in cybersecurity. How can possibly learn enough to land a job in just 6 months? The good news is you don't need any prior experience or a degree, because Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate is designed to teach you the in-demand skills that you need to become job ready in less than 6 months. With over 213,000 job openings in cybersecurity in the US alone, there has never been a better time to enter this field. And with the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate, you will be equipped with the skills you need to compete for these high-paying positions. But don't just take our word for it. 75% of certificate graduates report a positive career outcome. That's because the skills you will learn in this program are highly sought after by employers across industries. So if you are ready to launch your career in cybersecurity, watch this video till the end, because I'm gonna show you how to enroll in the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate today completely for free. Now here we are on the page of Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate on Coursera. And if we scroll down, we will find that after you finish this program, you will be qualified for these job titles, and after you earn the certificate of this program, you will get exclusive access to career resources, and you will connect with all these hiring organizations like Google, like Adobe, like Salesforce, and so on. And here are the 8 courses. Begins with Foundation of Cybersecurity, then course number 2 is Play It Safe, and so on until you finish this program. And after you earn the career certificate of this program, you can add this to your LinkedIn profile, resume, or CV. So now let's see how you can enroll in this professional certificate. The first option is enroll for free. If we click here, you will get 7-day free trial with unlimited access to all courses in the specialization. And of course, you can cancel anytime if you don't want to continue this program. But if you like it, you're gonna have to pay $39 per month to continue learning after trial ends. So you can go as fast as you can. The faster you go, the more you save. So this is the first option. Once you click on start free trial, you will land in this page and you're gonna have to put your credit card information. So this is the first option. Then I see that the cost of this professional certificate is very affordable. So what if you don't have any money to invest in this program? How you can enroll for free? Simply, all you need to do is click on courses, then start with the course number 1, of course. Now you are enrolling for the first course of this specialization. So to enroll for free, all you need to do is click on enroll for free here. If you don't have an account on Coursera, you can simply create one, very easy. After you create your Coursera account, you will find this message pop up here. Now you have to be very careful here. Don't click on start free trial. Simply click on the audit the course option here. Once I click on this option, the course content will open for me. So the audit option let you take all the content of the course, but you can't get any certificate from this option. So from my experience, all you need to do is enroll for all the courses of the specialization from the audit option. After you finish the courses and study it and understand it, and when you are ready to take the exams, simply upgrade to this professional certificate, and in this case you can finish all the courses in less than 1 month because you've already studied before on the audit option. So this is option number 2. The option number 3 is if you want to earn this professional certificate and you don't have any money at all you need to do is just to apply for the financial aid. And to do this, simply click on the financial aid available as you see here. After that, click on continue to application and you will have to answer all of these questions, and I'm already explained this method in video on my channel. If you want it, just let me know in the comments. So after your financial aid form get accepted from Coursera, you can get all the course material and the certificate professional completely for free. So that's all the options you have, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel to support me. See you in the next video, and bye bye.